Hi guys, it's been a pleasure renovating Lanive's home, and she wanted a few things done here and there. What did we do for you, Lanive?
Well, you did refurbish the back deck and the front deck for me, which was looking a little bit shabby, and I had been getting quotes last year on it and it just seemed exorbitant, so I left it. But Michael gave me a really good quote, and he's such a gentleman, I decided to go ahead and get all that done. And they've just worked, you couldn't ask for better tradesmen. They've been absolutely perfect. The decks look amazing. They've done extra work for me. They've cleaned around all the pool pavers, the driveway, which was mouldy from all the rain we had during winter. And it just looks all fresh and clean, and I just couldn't ask for anyone better.
I appreciate your kind words, and just can't wait to see you enjoy your lovely deck here.
It'll be lovely. It's very
lovely.
nice. Very well done.
Yeah, so thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure meeting you.
That was really nice, thank you.